everyday objects can be a little bit of a struggle, but they're always fun to throw into the mix. Once you get pretty good at juggling, you can juggle just about anything, whether it's a Kleenex box, ping pong ball, perhaps a water jug, a ping pong paddle, screwdriver, a pen, anything you find around the house. A pair of socks, oranges, I don't know, maybe even some eggs. Whatever you'd like to do, you can probably throw it in the mix. Just remember, things that are paddle-like in shape, like a tennis racket or even a ping pong paddle that have handles, they're gonna flip a little bit different because they're of different weights and sizes. So give yourself a lot of height to work with so you can have a slow rotation to grab the handle. Things that are sharp or maybe dangerous on the ends, like a screwdriver or a screw gun, be very careful with that and don't necessarily do that outside of parental advising. Just really mix it up and have some fun. And remember, if you drop an egg, you gotta clean up the mess.